Hi there guys, welcome to Bluehost training part 10. Well, in today's video, we're going to talk about how exactly do you categorize your posts into different categories. Now, the reason for that is because when you actually go to a website, let me show you guys my website first. Something like this, all right, is going to look very like a maze, very misleading, unless you have things like your menu bar, your categories, so that they can go straight into what exactly are the things that they want to look out for. Like for example, if you want to look out for how to claim bonuses, they can actually click on this. Alright, how to claim bonuses. And you will actually go straight to something like here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about how exactly do you create these categories over here. Now going back again to your WordPress website. Okay, again on the left side, go for posts. Now under posts, you will see they have all posts, add new, categories, and tags. So what you need to do is just to go into the category section over here. Alright, and then you can start adding your categories. Now, guys, one thing I suggest to you is, before you even start adding any categories, do up a mind map of how you want the entire website to look like. Alright, and because once you're adding the categories, of course you can undo it, but to make your whole website user-friendly, and easy to maneuver, the most important thing is, once you set up your categories, every time when you write in a new post, you will have to put in which category you want this post to be in. Alright, because you do not want to set up, like for example, just 4 categories, then along the way you realize that you need to add more and more categories. It will just complicate your entire website and create a non-user friendly experience for your website visitors. So how do you actually add a category? Well, very simple, just add the name of the category, the slug. Okay, you can actually leave it blank because automatically they will populate for you. Now, parent category, you can just put it as none, so make it as individual categories on their own. You don't have to actually put any description over here. Okay, some of the themes will actually show it, as you can see over here. Alright, this description is not prominent by default, however some themes may show it, so it's not really that important. After you've added the name into it, you can just put on add new category, and automatically the category will show into your web page or your main website. Okay, so what exactly do you need to do? See, when you actually go under posts, let me go back to posts here. Okay, and if you click on add new, like what I'm doing now, add new post. So once you actually put in any form of post, you will see that the category sections are here. Alright, so this is where you have to actually create, or rather decide which category you would like this post to be under. So for example, if this is on free training articles, you click on free training articles and then subsequently publish it after you've done up the entire post. Okay guys, so this is the end of this video. It's very simple, but yet a lot of people are not familiar in terms of how do we exactly add all these categories here. Because the objective of doing this entire Bluehost training, which incorporates the usage of Bluehost plus WordPress, is to let you guys design your website on your own. There's no need to actually pay thousands of dollars to these so-called professionals to do up your website, because it can actually be pretty simple. All you need to do is to do a mind map first. How you want this entire website to look like, what's the feel, so and so forth. Okay, and in the previous videos, I also show you things like how to actually get free themes that you can actually use to create a look and feel of the entire website. Like for example, this is the look and feel of my website. Alright, and in the next few videos, I'll talk more about how do you actually create more different functions within the website. Like for example, how do you create your menu bar, and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care.